guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Surveillance Master Abhi. Today we will discuss about, as I told you in the next previous video, that I will discuss about the analog series of the HIKVISION company in my next video. So today we will discuss about the analog series and what the analog camera means. Okay, first we will understand this. It has a real-time HD recording till 180p and 720p, up to 180p and 720p. Okay, and it has also a feature like supporting a tribrid DVR. Tribrid DVR means you can use any other company's cameras with this DVR. Along with this DVR, you can also use another company's camera also. There is no foundation or limitation that you should use the cameras of HIKVISION with the HIKVISION DVR only. Okay, so third party compatibility is also there. We can say in simple words, third party compatibility is there, and it has a 500-meter transmission capability, which is a good part or big part about the analog cameras of HIKVISION series. And it has a real time HD video output of 1080p and 720p, which I have also told you earlier. And it has an open hdtvi technology, which enhances its third party compatibility feature. Okay, and along with this, tribrid DVR means it can handle HDTVI plus IP plus analog. You can run any type of cameras with these types of DVR like tribrid series, because tribrid, we are saying tri means three types of cameras it supports: IP, analog, HDTVI, all the types of cameras it supports. Okay, so and 500-meter transmissions is also there in analog cameras and tribrid DVRs. Okay, so the cable which is required for 500-meter transmission or more than that transmission, it is coaxial cable. Coaxial cable is required for connecting the analog's camera. The connection from DVR to camera is made through the coaxial cable. So if you like this video, so okay guys, we will meet in next video. If you are new to my channel, then please go and subscribe my channel for such surveillance categories video and all the HIKVISION products information, and getting all the CCTV cameras information like this. And please, till then, stay tuned. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned to Surveillance Master Abhi and stay safe and secure. Thank you.